So welcome back guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Asees Khan Official. In this video I will tell you about how to make a certificate in MS Word. So here you can see the sample of an certificate which I make in MS Word. So I will tell you in this video about whole the procedure how to make a certificate in MS Word. So before starting the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my videos. Thank you so much. So let's start the video. First of all, I will open MS Word. After it, I will go to insert. I will go to page layout, go to size and select A4 size, and also I will select orientation landscape in this way. After it, I will go to margins and select narrow. After it, I will go to page layout and select page border, and now I will go to art and I will select first of all the color, and second one I will select the required page border which I like. You can choose with your own desire. So I am trying to select my favorite one. I am trying this one, and I will make the width to 20 and enter OK. Now after it, I will go to insert, click on shapes and select rectangle, and I will draw rectangle in this way. After it, I will go to select it, right click on this one and click on edit points, and I will select this point and I will delete point this one. After it, I will again edit points, so I will make changes like this one. Here you can see it how I make changes in this way, So after it, I will go to shape fill and select yellow one and shape outline with no outline, and I will select shape effect with this one or this one in this way. After it, I will again make duplicate copy of this one with I will select this one and press Ctrl, and here I make it in this way, Now I will go to format and select the shape fill and shape outline with no outline, and go to shape effect, select on bevel, and I will select this one, and also I will go to format and click on send backward in this way. After it, I will make duplicate copy of this one with selecting and press Ctrl. Here I make it. So I will choose the color which I want, this one, and shape effect with same one, and click on send backward, this one in this way. So after it, I will go to insert and select the shape, and before I choose, I will go to format, click on save as, and I will choose this type to Word.97 2003 template and click on save and enter OK and continue in this way. After it, I will go to Word Art, select the required style or font, and I am write certificate of achievement, and I will decrease the size of this one to 20 and I will make it italic. Again I will go to format, click on wrap text and enter and select in front of text. Now I will easily move this one to my required position, certificate of achievement, in this way. Now I will write, now I will again so I will again write Word Art and I will write this one. So here I will write this certificate is proudly represented to and I will change the size to 20 and make it italic again and enter OK. Now I will again go to format, click on wrap text and select in front of text such a way. Now you can see it, but I did not want to do this. So I will go to format and select this one, or again I will remove it in this way. Now I will go to insert Word Art and select this one. Now I will write in such a way and I will decrease the size to this one and select italic and enter OK. Now I will go to wrap text and select in front of text such a way and I will put it in this place. Now I will go to format and click on shape fill and I will select this one and shape outline with red, and if I want to increase the weight, so I will go to format, click on shape outline and I will increase in such a way. So here I write the certificate is probably represented to, here I will mention the name I will write name and italic and enter OK. Again same procedure, I will go to wrap text and in front of text and here I put it, and now I will go to shape fill with color, this one, and shape outline with this one or this one. Now I will write insert, go to format and again take it, again I will write for successfully completing, completed, and italic and enter OK. Now I will go to this one and in such a way, and I will increase this size, and I will select shape outline with this one, such a way, and I will change this one to this one. For successfully completed, now I will write again the course name like this one, and I will make 24 and select OK. Now again I will go to wrap text and select in front of text, and I will mention it here in such a way. Fundamental of computers, right click on this and edit points, and I will here mention inverted commas, and enter OK. Such a way. For successfully completing fundamentals of computers, here I will again take one more font, and here I will mention date, in such a way, and enter OK. Go to wrap text and in front of text in such a way, and I will decrease the size to this one, shape fill with and I will change this one to this one here. After it, I will go to insert and click on word art, and I will write here academy name, academy 20 and italic, and enter OK. Now same procedure I will apply in such a way, and format, go to shape fill, and I will select this one, again make duplicate of this one, and again make duplicate of this one. So here I will edit text to principal signature, principal sign, and edit this one to student sign, and enter OK in this way. Now I will put it as, I will go to insert, click on shapes and enter line. So I will press line with the help of shift key in such a way, and adjust it in such a way. So I will move this one to this place, and move this one to this place, and move this one to this place in this way. Now I will change the shape outline with red and shape weight with this one, make duplicate of this one, and again make duplicate of, and again make duplicate of this one. So after it I will choose academy, and here I will use my logo. So for logo I will go to select the logo where I kept it, in such a way, and now I will arrange it in such a way. Now I will put principal sign, so I will go to insert, click on pictures, and I will put this sign where I kept, in such a way. Go to wrap text and select in front of text, and I will use this one in such a way. After it, I will use student sign, so I also make duplicate of this one. So in this way I make a certificate, and after this I will go to page layout, select page color, and I will go to preset, and I will choose this one and enter OK. So here my certificate is ready, you can see it. And to get know about MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, AutoCAD very well known and basic things I will discuss in videos. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.